So you have this question right here. You have to find the number of ways of selecting 6 out of 10 subjects for an examination. So you have 10 subjects and you have to select 6. So this is a combination question. So you need to first of all know the formula for combination, that is NCR. So combination is n factorial over n minus r factorial, r factorial. So n is 10 and r is 6. So if you substitute, you're going to get 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 6, that will give you 4 factorial. Then you have 6 factorial. At this stage, don't stress yourself. Just break down 10 factorial to look like 6 factorial. So 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. Stop at that point. Divided by 4 factorial times 6 factorial. So these two parts are the same. 6 factorial cancels out 6 factorial. So at this point, you have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 divided by 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 times 2 is 8. That will cancel this 8 here. Okay, you're going to be left with 3 here 1, 3 in 9, that's 3. So at the top, you have 10 times 3 times 7. If you multiply that, you're going to get 30 times 7. And what's 30 times 7? That will give you 210. So that means there are 210 ways of picking 6 questions from 10. So the final answer is option D. As you can see. Come. Let me show you how to solve this question. We have to integrate 6x squared minus 2x dx from 1 to 2. Very simple. First of all, write your 6x squared minus 2x. So you have to integrate this from 1 to 2 dx. So normal integration, when you integrate 6x squared, just increase the power by 1. So you have 2 plus 1 divided by that same thing minus, you integrate your 2x. The power here is 1. So increase it by 1 and divide by that same thing. So 1 plus 1 divided by that same 1 plus 1. So this one will give you 6x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus, this one will give you 2x squared divided by 2. So 2 cancel 2. 3 here 1, 3 here will give you 2. So you're going to get 2x to the power 3 minus x squared. Then they give you your limits. Your limits are 1 to 2. So just open a square bracket right here and include your limits. So put your brackets here, 1 to 2. So the first thing to do is to substitute 2 inside these guys here. So if you do that, you're going to get 2 times 2 to the power 3 minus, this is x here, you're going to put 2 there, times 2 squared, minus, then substitute 1 right now. So let's put 1 now. Anywhere you see x, put 1. So that will give you 2 times 1 is to the power 3 minus, I'm going to put 1 here now. 1 squared is the same thing as 1. So I'm going to break this down. 2 is to the power 3 is 8. 8 times 2 will give you 16. So that's 16 minus 2 is to the power 2 will give you 4. Minus, open your brackets here, 1 is to the power 3 is 1. 1 times 2 will give you 2. 2 minus 1. Then just finish it up finally. You have 16 minus 4 minus 2 plus 1. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 will give you 11. So check that out in the option. So the answer is 11. That's option D. Come here. Let me show you how to solve this question. Now to find the gradient of a line which is perpendicular to the line with this equation. Okay, they've already given you the equation, and you're told that there's another line that's perpendicular to this particular equation that you have here. So to find the gradient of that line, very simple. Just express this and make y instead of the formula. Let y be alone. If you do that, you're going to get 2y is equals to minus 3x minus 1. So if you want y to be alone, divide both sides by 2 like this. So you see that y will now be alone here. So y will now be y equals to minus 3x over 2 minus 1 over 2. So this is already in the form of the general form of a straight line, which is y equals to mx plus c. The number in front of this x here is the gradient. So that means the gradient of that line is minus 3 over 2. But they say you should look for a line that is perpendicular to it. That's not the answer. Find the gradient of a line which is perpendicular to the line with this equation. So this is the equation of the line here. So since the lines are perpendicular, that means they are like this. So this particular one here is the one you have done, which is minus 3 over 2. You have to find the gradient of this particular one, this one here. Now to find that, if two lines are perpendicular, they obey this equation. M1, M2 will give you minus 1. The two lines, if you multiply their gradients, you must get minus 1. And one of them is already minus 3 over 2. Then the second one is M2. So you're looking for the second one, which is M2. Just cross multiply. Minus 3 M2 equals to minus 2. Minus cancel minus. M2 will be 2 over 3. That means the gradient of that second line is 2 over 3. Go to your option. Pick 2 over 3. No time. So the answer is 2 over 3. Option B. Okay, follow for more. Let's go.